Hi! In this video, we will show you how to use the Sublimation heat transfer weiner. We are the first manufacturer in China to develop the Sublimation heat transfer weiner. As we all know that with sublimation, typically you need the 65% porous or more than 65% porous in your garment in order for the sublimation ink transfer. How to use the sublimation transfer paper works on cotton fabric. There is an alternative way to do that. With our sublimation heat transfer weiner, we could make the transfer paper works on cotton fabric. How to use it? Let's give it a try and see how it works. The size of sublimation heat transfer weiner, we could supply sheet size A4 and A3 and 12" by 12". We could also supply roll size. The roll size could be 12" by 25 meters. First, we will print the sublimation transfer paper. So we need the printer with sublimation ink. And when we print, the paper setting should be glossy paper and the quality should be standard. And we need to click the mirror print when we printing. After the ink is dry, cut off the exercise part of the picture. We will get rid of the exercise part. Then we will cut the weiner. We will take off one sheet weiner, the sublimation heat transfer weiner. The sublimation heat transfer weiner, there are two sides. One side is shiny side and the other side is the rough side. We put the shiny side down to the mat, the rough side up. And then we load into the cutting plotter. And after cutting, we need to peel the vinyl from the mat. And now we need to weed the vinyl. Next step, we will transfer the vinyl to the t-shirt first. Set the temperature of the heat press machine to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. And the pressure is medium. The pressure setting is medium. Place the light-colored t-shirt on the bottom plate of the heat press machine. And press for 3 to 5 seconds to remove wrinkles. We will transfer the sublimation heat transfer vinyl to the t-shirt. There is a shiny side and the other side a little more tacky, kind of sticky. We need to pull the smooth side up. Put the oil paper. After transfer the vinyl, cold peeling. We should cold peeling. Now we are going to line up the sublimation transfer paper to the vinyl. And use the transfer tape to fix the position. Then we will put it into the heat press machine. In this step, we keep the same temperature, but the time should be 40 seconds. Then we put the t-shirt. And waiting for the heat press machine count down to 0. Now time is up, and still in this step we use cold peeling. Here we go. Now we finish the transfer. With all sublimation heat transfer vinyl, you can achieve sublimation transfer on the cotton fabric. As you can see, the pattern is hollow effect, and the color is also vivid and bright.